Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Air Suspensions. We do a lot of cool trucks here, but this guy right here has set the bar. This is the most expensive truck we have built today, pushing 155 grand on this bad boy. So you're thinking, what makes it different from all the other $120,000, $130,000 trucks? Well, I'm going to tell you here. So this is a limited, 2018 limited. So this is number 309. I think they made either 1,500, 2,500. I'm not sure. So anyway, so the truck comes here. This thing got sticker 92 grand. So it's the most expensive truck Ford has ever made. So customer is a big Harley Davidson guy. He's got a CVO, I think a bagger or not quite sure. But what he did is he sent over one of the trim panels off of under the seat, one of the covers, the fuse box cover. So he says, I want my truck to have that same red. Well, Harley doesn't release their CVO colors. So what we had to do is sit down and worked on this for a while, tried a couple different colors, nailed them back for the customer, finally nailed this color. This thing is like it's a very metallic color, and it took around 12 coats of clear to get it where we wanted to where it would match this guy's Harley. So really cool. That's the theme behind all the red and white to match his bike. So start with a $92,000 truck. We take the box off, take the flares off, so they start tearing all the emblems off, mirrors off. You know, we tear everything down, the lights, got a different hood on it. So basically strip this thing down, start painting to get the color combination we want. So what we start with, a different hood, painted it white, got the mesh in there, really cool fiberglass hood. Color matches just dead nuts with this pearl white. So then we do the grill. So we do an Alpha Series Kelderman grill cut out for the front mirror, did the Kelderman logo in it, set the lights off the Eco Tint, and had them done the red and the white. Come down here to the Alpha Series bumper, 16.5 winch synthetic rope. Got the cap off, so the customer comes, I can show them how to operate his winch. Come down here, we got the ruby red monster hooks that we color match. Come over here to the ridges. Now, since this is white, we did not do Midnight Series. We did the traditional, the white face ones. So we have our three-piece bumper. Makes it awesome for doing these different kind of color combinations to really make this thing pop, set it apart from anybody else's aftermarket truck. This just got a one color bumper. So you come over here to the front, got some American Force wheels to color match the caps, of course, running 37-inch, 13.5 on 22-inch rims. These are the TOYO MT series. Come over here to the suspension, color match that. Found a powder coat that was very close to the custom Harley color we did all the red. So we've got all our color matched items on the suspension with Fox remote reservoir shocks. And again, we'll come down here and we take off the factory radius arms, and we'll powder coat those also the same color. Throw our badges on there, give it a complete look. Took all the badges apart, got rid of the chrome tops here, painted them that Harley red, and then we did the color matched mirrors with our Eco Tint mirrors. So come over here, we masked all this off. I took these guys off, matched the factory body line, and painted it our Harley red. And it's hard to tell inside, but this thing just pops. It's got a lot of metal plates in it. Super, super cool color. So we come over here, you know, same thing. When we pop all their lights out, we go ahead and throw some tint on them as we do the tail lights, just to dull them down a little bit so those red factory tail lights just don't jump out at you so fast. Same thing on the rear. We've got the 22-inch American Force with our TOYO MT tires, our Fox remote reservoir shocks, color match suspension. You can see the sensor back here that runs. Same thing we run on all our other trucks, the Airlift 3H management. It's awesome. It's got a Bluetooth app. You can sit out here and control this thing, running it up and down. Come around to the rear, took off factory exhaust, got the stainless MAGNAFLOW on there. Come around to the back. Since the Limiteds have some silver on it on the door handles, we decided to leave the back panel silver. We just popped out the letters and painted those. Come back here, same thing, Ford emblem, get her color matched with the Harley red. Then our Alpha Series rear bumpers, did the white tow hooks this time. You know, contrast a little bit more with the wings. And that pretty much summarizes this thing up. So we've had this truck for about a couple months. We really hit it hard for the last 4 weeks and got this thing done.